e get one news for Port Harcourt wey trend well wey be say I don't do. I just say I don't want to do. I don't know the spirit wey tell me say I don't do at that time, but this time I want to do am. You know, you get one pastor for Port Harcourt, pastor wey they call Pastor Esa Ogori. The pastor will be saying that he be the founder of Fulfilling Word Foundation Church for inside Port Harcourt. This pastor will be say, you know, now he's supposed to officiate marriage for his church. Just because the couple they use 5 minutes till late, he can't cancel the wedding. Life wedding for human being. He cancel. I don't say the people they wrong go. When they say they tell you time, maintain that time, but just 5 minutes, he cancel the wedding. You know, after some time, after about a week or 2 weeks, now they found this pastor. This pastor died. I don't say many of you don't watch the video, but I just want to play so that you go remind you that what thing I want to talk. You understand now? I want to play the video for now where they take cancel the wedding. Essentially.
Or because it's assistant Holy Spirit or something. God help us. Madam, go to your head before you talk to anybody here. The pastor should do reform now. It's very, very simple. So this is the scene, this is the scene. That is the groom. That's the groom. I'm trying to get the shot of the groom because the couple came 3 minutes late. This is the member of the church that wanted to fight us. This is the member of the church that wanted to fight us. This man is trying to hold me so that I won't do video. He's a member of the church. Those are the members of the church that were trying to fight us. Nobody can fight us here because this is my fellow photographer. This is the photographer, Samuel Ifeanyi. He's the one that wanted to fight. He's the one that wanted to fight. That's the church member. He's the one that's stepping into the church right now. This is the bride. She's in tears. She's in tears. She's in tears because of what this pastor has done. Can you imagine what's happening? He's now begging the bride after doing what he did just now. Madam, go and remove a hair that you put on your head since 2016 before you talk to me. Remove that hair that has been on your head for 4 years. Shift. Get out of my face. I can't even look at you. You want me to cry? What's that? Eh? Are you talking to me? You're talking to me. You ain't buying me phone. Guys, the video they on.
Face show. That's my face show.
Face show down.
Go do that man face, make me show.
Mommy, say it again.
Wife, you don't chop your wife.
Good.
You don't chop your wife, you don't feel pastor anything.
Good.
In the name of religion.
This is a fraud. This is a fraud in the church.
So you see, I don't just want to take time. You get one video we are supposed to still play. Video we say they talk about is dead, but no, you know they don't show the body. Then our person just talking, so there's no need to show that one. But may I just tell you now, you know if you know when they do research, they can discover and say even that time when we say this pastor they cancel this wedding, this pastor because of that wedding, buy ticket for flight where it they come the church because of the wedding. And this pastor, he dey on medication, he get health problem. And when he read there, I reach it and with that anger, and he still read there, he can't read there before the, you know, people be saying that they do marriage. You know, with that anger, now he make can just verse cancel the marriage. And now people call it, they say now, you know, now all those things. No, you know, the mystery behind his death. And according to, they say, the day will be say, you know, he's supposed to do remembrance of a wife. A wife died last year. Exactly the day when the wife did die, now the man still did die. Just the mystery behind the death in the family. You know, just coincidentally, that people come and say, because of this thing. But what I want to just stop with this, my people. Anything you find yourself do, do good. Nobody knows tomorrow. It's just unfortunate that coincidentally the marriage and his and his death just just jump together. People call it Sarah because that thing no. So and they see some they call it karma. No, not be karma. But the only message is this: always do good to people. Do good to people. Nobody know. There's one thing about me. People can attest to that. I don't play with time. I don't play with time. I don't play with time. You get church where be say be they attend. Understand? Where are they is very far. Very far. But I still read there before every members of the church. Even to understand that there was a time my family, listen to my family, they do clean up for house. They clean. This is what I tell you now. My family they go lap. They do clean up for house. As I want just wear my clothes and time don't go church. As I want wear my clothes, I was so surprised. They said they pack my cap, my bow tie, my pocket anki, and just imagine most of you now me will be say I still travel go abroad. I can still get their document. Italian document because it days and they can go through where this will not be lie. They tell you what happened to me now, and they go church. Should I cancel church? No, I go they vibrate. See, if you see me with bossa and shirt singlet, now they come down, come down. Now they don't come down. Now they go dustbin where the throw I put. Now so I enter inside dustbin. Fine now, but I see some cap. You go get one red one where I like because I gift from somebody. I don't see her. No, so you bought maybe they don't carry her. You understand? I'm talking of abroad though. Nobody say the general abroad. When I even travel go abroad, I see I put so for white man land. I don't see cap. So you must say they like Africa. They carry the cap. They carry some things. They carry some many things. But I still see the document. But do you know? Even that I call the verse when I make me go church late. I enter church. I was still the first person with my family enter church. Time, always respect the time of a man. Respect the time of a man. If somebody give you appointment, he give you time, respect the time. I don't play with time. But sometimes it gets to me say, I go even the raw evil culture. Some people don't understand. The day where I dedicate my daughter for church, now when they do dedication, and the workers for church, they enter church 10:45, 10:30. We don't already dey church. The first person wey he shout, how you now when they do something, I say that is my life. If I am a leader, I should show a good example. Why they talk all those things now? This thing still has to do with time. Yeah, the man of God was angry because of that. He cancelled the wedding. Why? Because they don't respect the old time. If he can respect your time, you don't enter bus, you don't carry your car, you buy flight ticket so that you go fit meet up with your marriage. You read there, but we don't respect your own time. I know I see how people they talk say the man is wicked, but today now where's the man? The man don't die. When I want to talk bad about the dead man, I mean the dead man now. I beg my people, let's respect people's time. And secondly, always learn how to do good to people. I always tell people, do good to someone as if the person was going to die tomorrow. You get what they make with the verse. I see and watch out for one video. I even talk about I hate time, when they go they bury, don't go bury person. Hey, this person was my friend. He came to me. I built house for him. He came to me. I bought car for him. He came to me. I paid his restaurant. He came to me. I fed him. Sometimes not lie. But when he was alive, the guy, if you do that one, nobody go to say the guy is suffer. But when after you don't die now, you can't come and tell people how you think. Do good to people as if they are going to die tomorrow. I just waiting. I want to talk about. I bet more than follow me on Instagram, on Facebook page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Agbos TV. Thank you very much.